Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Nate on AI. I'm Nate and I'm a software engineer and AI enthusiast. Here on this channel, my aim is to make AI more approachable and practical for the average person and to teach you simple ways to leverage AI in your daily life to empower you towards your goals. I understand that in today's time, AI is such an intimidating and unsettling topic for so many people. It's literally changing life as we know it right before our eyes. From healthcare to the job market and economy to the way we communicate and create, there's not one aspect of life as we know it that's not currently being impacted by AI today. While there is no doubt that AI is going to continue to change life as we know it, my goal here is to show you that AI is not something that we should necessarily fear or avoid. Rather, it's something that we should embrace and integrate. With an open mind and the right approach, AI becomes a powerful assistant that can save you time, boost your productivity, and help you stay ahead in a world that's constantly evolving and changing. In today's video, I'm diving into one simple yet powerful feature within ChatGPT, its web search ability, and how it can make your web searches faster, clearer, and more efficient. Most people today are used to going straight to Google whenever they need to find information on something. We type in our query into Google search and click on the top links from the return results, and we hope that the information we're seeking is contained within those first few web pages. And if the information isn't there within those first few web pages that you click on, there's potentially thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of links that you potentially have to go through. Not to mention that the web search experience on Google could be a bit frustrating due to different things like ads or pop-ups or different clickbait headlines that make the experience a little bit less than optimal. ChatGPT's web search feature allows you to ask it a question and it returns the information that you're looking for directly from the internet in a concise way. This means that you don't have to scroll through web pages through text that you really don't care about or click on dozens of links. ChatGPT handles this entire process for you and gives you exactly the information that you're looking for. It's sort of like having your own personal researcher, having them do all the heavy lifting and researching, and then returning to you only what you asked of it and what you need. Now, let's look into some real life applications where this feature can save you time and make your searches more efficient. Here are 4 simple but powerful ways you can start using ChatGPT's web search feature today. One way we can use ChatGPT's web search feature is by asking it to grab us the latest news headlines for today. So let's ask it, what are today's biggest news headlines? And you see here that it will go and search the web and find the headlines and return us the results. So we see the Myanmar earthquake in Thailand. And alongside the results, you see also that it provides the sources from where it got the information and also provides some links down here below. So let's say, for instance, we want to get more information on one of these news headlines. We can simply ask it, let's ask it to, can you summarize the main points from the Myanmar? So now you see it searching the web again, and it provides us information on exactly the details of the earthquake. So here you see that ChatGPT quickly delivers a clear and simple summary on the tragic and devastating earthquake that happened in Thailand. This particular example is really sad, but it serves to show that ChatGPT is perfect if you want to stay informed without having information overload. The next use case that I'll be going into is product comparison. Imagine that you're trying to decide between different meal kit delivery services to simplify your meal planning for the week, but you're feeling overwhelmed with all the options out there and don't really know which product is best for you. Let's say I boiled it down to 2 options, HelloFresh and Blue Apron, but I'm looking for something a little bit more beginner friendly and has more variety. For this scenario, we can ask ChatGPT to compare HelloFresh and Blue Apron and ask it which one offers more variety and is more beginner friendly. In this case, you see that I clicked the web search icon, and that's because I'm telling ChatGPT to go and search the internet to give me a more updated and accurate response as opposed to using its current knowledge base to answer the question. If you notice in the last scenario, I didn't enable this feature, and that's because ChatGPT instinctively knew to do a web search because the information that I was asking for wasn't within its current knowledge base. So it knew to go out and search the internet and bring me back the information that I was looking for. Let's see what this prompt returns. Okay, you see it searching the web, and now it's providing its response. So we see that ChatGPT breaks down both of the products in terms of variety and beginner friendliness, and it ultimately concludes that HelloFresh is a better option in this case for somebody looking for a product that's more beginner friendly and offers more variety. Sorry, Blue Apron. This shows that ChatGPT can help us out in our decision making, especially when deciding between products. Instead of going through multiple websites and comparing the information ourselves, ChatGPT goes out and sources information and does a comparison for us based on our needs and helps us come to a decision on what product would be better. This use case could be applied to any product decision that you're trying to make. It could be skincare, the latest tech, clothing, other types of services. Here I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT's web search when you're trying to find a restaurant to eat at or maybe something to get into on the weekend. Let's say I'm in the mood for Mexican food. Instead of going to Yelp or going through endless Google reviews, I could simply ask ChatGPT what are the best Mexican restaurants. What are the best Mexican restaurants nearby? And here I'm not gonna enable the web search feature just to show you that ChatGPT would instinctively know to search the web to find this answer. And look, it returns a map of proximity of where I'm at and the top restaurants listed here. So this is pretty cool. Let's say I want to see what fun events are coming up in the upcoming weekend. Instead of going to maybe a Eventbrite or doing a Google search, I could simply ask ChatGPT. You see ChatGPT does a web search. Nice. So provides fish skin outdoor fair, rebels and redcoats, horseback rides, soccer. So it lists out the events that are going on and next week. In these cases, ChatGPT web search provides quick and relevant suggestions without all the extra noise that comes along with manual searches. This is really useful if you're out and about in an area that you're not too familiar with and you're trying to make a quick decision on somewhere to eat or something to get into. ChatGPT streamlines the search process and makes your life way easier. If you come across an article that you're interested in online, instead of looking through every single paragraph and spending time reading the entire article, you can simply drop the hyperlink into ChatGPT and have it summarize that article for you. And I'm going to provide you an example here. A hyperlink to an article titled What ChatGPT Means for the Future of Work, which is about a 7-minute read. I'm going to paste the link here and ask ChatGPT to summarize the article in 5 bullet points. See, it searches for the hyperlink that you provided. And now it's providing 5 bullet points. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT breaks down this article that takes 7 minutes to read into 5 key bullet points. I find this really amazing because, as you know, with any information source, whether it's a book or article, a blog, sometimes the writers use more words than necessary to convey their point. ChatGPT analyzes and breaks down the information and provides you the key points to take away. So it saves you a lot of time and effort. And there you have it. Those are 4 practical ways you can use ChatGPT's web search feature in order to make your searches faster and more efficient. If any of these are useful to you, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments. And if you want to see me break down more beginner AI friendly features, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one.